Hello and welcome. This is John Coimbori. I'm gonna be taking you a group video how to interface a LCD to the 8051 microcontroller. And so basically, I'm gonna show you how to do this assignment. And the first thing is to how to create the flowchart. And basically, you wanna go to your draw.io and have your shapes. So go to draw.io. uh, I had built the flowchart already, so just gonna show you how to. So it's gonna look similar to this, and basically your origin and your end are just gonna have ovals, and then everything in between is just gonna be in rectangles. And this is my finished flowchart. Um, the program is pretty long. Basically shows all your steps from origin all the way to the end of the program. Uh, that's it for the flowchart. Next is gonna be uh, explain the program. Uh, so basically, we're interfacing an LCD to the 8051, and what happens is we're having a program that's gonna send the name of the favorite country and the name of the favorite city, or the capital city of the favorite country rather. And so that's how our program is going to work if it's working correctly. So how to create the .asm and the .h file. You want to go to your IDE, which is KL Microvision. You want to open a new project and write your code, and this is the whole program right here. And you can see the last two lines are basically the name of the country, Spain, and the capital for it, which is Madrid. And then once you finish writing your program, you open file and you click save as. And what you want to do is name your program, and at the very end you want it to end with a .asm. That's a .asm file, and that's how to create the .asm file. Once that's done, you want to build your hex file. How to build your hex file? You have the build tab here, and you also have the build tab on you also have the build tab here on project, and then build target. The shortcut for it is at F7, and then you're gonna build the hex file. So I already did that, and I'm gonna show you where the hex file is. It's gonna be here, and then go to objects. So my .asm file is here. You can see it right here, lcd.asm. My hex file is in the folder objects, and then this is the hex file, lcd.hex. That's it for the creating the .asm and the .h file. Next is how to load the program. How you load the program is you want to connect your 8051 to your PC via the serial port cable, and the serial port should be connected to your port 0 or your serial 0 in on the 8051. And then what you want to do is you want to open Realtom, which is our IDE interface for loading of programs, and this is how it looks. And you're gonna have, once your 8051 is connected, you'll see I don't have it connected right now, but you'll see some information right there. Once you click or press a button and press enter, and then you're gonna hit K and press enter to make it to clear what program was initially on the microcontroller, because it retains your program permanently. And then what you want to do is click L for learn before you upload your program, and then you want to go into send, and then click these three dots and go to the make sure this is all files right there, and then go to where your lcd.hex file is, which is right here. Click open, and it's gonna come here, and click send, which is basically gonna upload it. If it was uploaded correctly, you'll see G's with some percentage, and you'll know that the program was updated or it was loaded correctly on your 8051. Next is how to wire the circuit. So this is pretty easy. You're just gonna connect it to your LCD, and you basically have the what we call your circuit diagram on the instruction page of the lab itself. I'm gonna open it right now so you can see how to wire the circuit. And just a moment. Here it is, and this is how you interface it. So you're connecting pin 1 from 0 to 7 to your D0 to D7 of your LCD, and your port pin 2, and then the 0, 1, and 2 for pin 2. You're connecting it to the RS, R stroke W, and the E on the LCD. And then the same, you have a 10K potentiometer to the VCC, VEE, and VSS on your LCD, and all these are going to be grounded. That's how you connect it, and this is there the circuit diagram for it, the LCD diagram, which shows basically where your VCC is and all your connections. Next, we want to do how to show the results of the program working correctly, and this is a picture of my program working correctly. Once you have everything connected and you hook up your program, you hook up your 8051, and then you change it from program to run, which is the knob that's right here. You can see the display showing the name of the country, which is Spain, and Madrid, which is the capital city. Thank you very much for tuning in.